Mr. Nitin Yadav, who is the Secretary Administration of Chandigarh. I think they have a e-Sampark portal where they are providing services to the citizens by bringing all the departments together and giving them a multi-service single window experience. I'm sure that would have involved a lot of integration at the back end, a lot of data flowing in. The data which comes into the system can also be used in other places. He also is heading the urban department there. So I think it would be good to hear from you, how you help in data integration. What are the challenges that you face, and what is the suggestion or support that you would need in taking this forward?
Thank you very much. Esteemed panelists, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to put a lot of things in perspective. See, what happened is that most of the e-governance initiatives that we have been taking has been driven because of some particular demand from clients, as is in any business. So you have citizens craving for services not being provided on time. So we came up with a lot of initiatives for service delivery online without going into the backends. So just wanted to have, so these e-Sampark canes, CSC canes, all those came up so that you have one interface that where the citizen can come. The backend problem, a lot of them remained. Second areas probably that we looked into were financial and non-financial benefits. So DBTs, income tax, streamlining, all these initiatives were taken because they had direct benefit in terms of economic benefits to the government and to the citizens. The one sector that we are looking at, if you go back and understand, we are missing a lot of outcomes. We are just, firefighting in a way. Okay, there is some pain point, let's find out technical solutions for it. There's another pain point, let's find a technical solution. We are not looking at it in a perspective. There are a lot of initiatives being taken, no doubt. So in that context, we have started working in Chandigarh and harnessing the smart city concept of integrated command and control. Now, if you hear this word, it means integrated. The problem is, most of it is cohabiting. It is not integrated. So you have a traffic management system working there, you have transport management system working there, you have solid waste management systems you can see there, you have public bike sharing systems you can see there, but they don't talk to each other. And so the one thing that I can put across is probably this, that what we have tried to do is, from the IT side, we have asked all departments that we will help you build your own individual IT systems based on whatever outcome you want. So if education wants to track the students' performance and things like that, we provide them solutions for that. Transport sector wants optimal bus routes and other things, we will provide that. So we are developing that, but then integrating the APIs with the integrated command control. Without we are saying, okay, we don't know, we are not so smart to know what will happen in future. What will the overall perspective be? But let us at least pull the data. Let us at least take all the database. So what will happen is that we talk about big data analytics, we talk about other things. We have 5G rollout happening in Chandigarh, IoT devices will be coming in, a lot more data will be now pushed in. You have sensors which are pushing in more data. What do you do with this data is something which has to be understood, and it has to be outcome based, not again some pain point and some thing happening and then you build a system for that. So we try to make it in a perspective like, let us take SDG goals for example. Say for example, if you have to enhance the municipal finances, you will see that the power department has database of which are the commercial establishments. But the same establishment will be paying residence property tax. So you have all these kind of things happening. You have area database in the municipal records, but you will have ownership records in revenue records. So you'll have these kind of interdependencies which are happening. So thing which will link them is individual IDs driven by Aadhaar. It will require family IDs driven by social registry and a property ID, individual property ID. If you have these three IDs, because you have to ultimately link all these databases, how do you link that? You have seeded Aadhaar into various databases so that you can pull and correlate these databases. Similarly, we are trying to do it in social registry and property ID, pushing the database so that we can get correlation. And then, now see the power of this. You have, for example, health index. Now, for every property ID, you can have a health index, education index, environment index. So you, for example, if you have to see environment index, how much of water is being consumed, how much of waste is being generated, how much of pollution is there. So when you map it onto a ward level, sector level, and the city level, you come, okay, this is what is happening in health sector. This is what is happening in education sector. So you build on an outcome basis and then you plan your interventions. Okay, this is where my education is weak. This is where my health is weak. So you have public health system plugged in. Okay, there's a leakage, IoT device is giving you the quality of water quality. You understand that the health index, not because from the health data, but from the public health data, that you understand that there is a problem of health here. So you work on the outcome rather than on some individual issues. And once we can map all of this, we will be able to better have a holistic and truly smart governance. So I would seek help and assistance from all the various stakeholders here, various companies who have come, that if they want to partner with us in building these kind of database, smart analytics, it would be a wonderful initiative, and I think it will show us a way for smart governance to the country. Thank you very much.